When drivers are aware of this method, mechanics detest it. Why? Because it provides free, comprehensive solutions for 100% of car issues. That's right, no costly dealership visit, no tools, and no parts. You will never again view a check engine light, choppy idle, or odd shift in the same way after you have learned it. See, your car isn't just metal and rubber. It's a computer on wheels. Every modern vehicle has dozens of sensors, modules, and microchips constantly talking to each other. But like any computer, it can glitch. One bad signal, one power dip, or one miscommunication, and suddenly your car starts acting possessed. Warning lights flash, the idle jumps, the transmission jerks. You take it to a mechanic and they say, you need a new part. But here's the truth, you probably don't. In most cases, the part isn't bad at all. The data inside your car's brain is. A reset clears that confusion and lets your car start fresh, like wiping a cluttered phone that's been running too many apps at once. Here's the part most mechanics won't admit. Nearly 70% of the problems they fix are caused by corrupted data, not broken hardware. A weak battery, a sticky sensor, or even a recent oil change can send false readings through your car's control system. The result? Chaos. Your ECU starts overcompensating, guessing instead of knowing, and your car behaves like it's sick. A reset wipes all that junk information, allowing your car to relearn what's normal. It's like giving your vehicle a clean slate, smoother idle, stronger throttle response, and a transmission that finally shifts when it's supposed to. The easiest way to do this is the legendary battery disconnect. You simply turn off the ignition, remove the key, and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then, press the brake pedal for 30 seconds to drain the remaining power. Wait 10 minutes. That's it. When you reconnect the battery, your car's entire system restarts clean. You might lose your clock or radio presets, but you'll gain a smoother, quieter, more responsive ride. It's the old-school trick every seasoned mechanic knows, but they'll never tell you because it's too effective. If you want something a little more precise, there's the fuse box reset. Every car has labeled fuses for its computer systems, ECU, TCM, BCM, and more. By removing the one that controls the problem system, waiting a few minutes, and plugging it back in, you're effectively performing targeted surgery on your car's brain. Suddenly, a rough idle disappears, a transmission shifts perfectly. Even stubborn dashboard lights fade away. No fancy tools, no mechanic visits, just a bit of patience and a steady hand. Then there's the mysterious pedal dance. Few people know about it, but many high-end mechanics quietly rely on it. With the ignition on and the engine off, you follow a specific pattern using just your accelerator pedal. No tools, no scanners. It retrains your car's throttle and transmission, restoring instant acceleration and smoother gear transitions. For cars from Nissan, Toyota, BMW, and GM, it's like a secret handshake that wakes up the system. One simple sequence, and your car suddenly feels brand new. And if you want total control, an OBD2 scanner is your best friend. It's small, cheap, and plugs right into your dashboard. With one click, you can read error codes, clear them, and even monitor real-time data, fuel trims, air intake, throttle position, and more. You'll know exactly what your car is trying to tell you, instead of relying on a mechanic's guess. Many modern scanners even connect to your phone, turning you into a self-taught diagnostic expert. Imagine saving hundreds, maybe thousands, every year, just by understanding your car better than the people who fix it. Sometimes, though, a car needs a deeper cleanse. That's where the hard reset combo comes in. You disconnect the battery, pull the main control fuses, and let the vehicle rest for at least 30 minutes. Once it's completely drained, reconnect everything and start it up. Let it idle quietly, then take it for a slow drive. What happens next feels almost supernatural. The car adapts, learns, and stabilizes as though it's waking up from a deep sleep. The jerks are gone. The lights are off. Everything feels aligned again. What most drivers don't know is that there are hidden reset sequences built right into every modern car. You can reset your tire pressure system by holding the TPMS button until it blinks. Fix weird air conditioning behavior by pressing the rear defrost and recirculation buttons together. Even a strange steering feel can be cured by turning the wheel fully left, then right, and centering it again. It's all built into your car. You just need to know where to look. After any major reset, give your car a chance to relearn. Let it idle for a few minutes, then drive gently while it adapts to your habits and environment. Keep a mental note of what changes, because this tells you something vital. If a problem disappears, it was software. If it returns, it's mechanical. That single insight can save you from unnecessary repairs and wasted money. It's the same process professionals use every day to diagnose problems fast. The truth is, once you know how to reset and recalibrate your car, you'll start noticing how quickly it responds, how smoothly it drives, and how confidently it performs. You won't fear that check engine light anymore. You'll understand it. Mechanics rely on mystery. You rely on knowledge. And knowledge, in this case, means freedom. Freedom from overpriced repairs, from confusion, and from fear. Because in the world of cars, the smartest driver isn't the one who spends the most money. It's the one who knows the reset.